fine. I'll take a pause from my Marco Polos with my sisters. I can't help it. I'm addicted. We get up and like, I work out some mornings during the week, and on all those mornings I like message them first thing in the morning because I mostly am just like, see, I am working out. Anyway, we go back and forth, and it's like, and do you know how many times I'm like, I could make this into a whole vlog. Just our Marco Polos. Yeah, most of the time they're like not appropriate, so I wouldn't be able to post them here. Anyway, Joel and I are going and doing something super progressive. I feel like we have not been making very much progress on the house, and now that the sheetrock is going up, I feel like we're like, all right, let's
we're like, holy sheetrock.
Holy sheetrock. Things are moving along now. They're going to move along now.
The basement seems so short with the sheetrock in right now. It seems so little.
Yeah, so we're gonna go into town and we're gonna pick out some countertops, some floors, and doors because we've got the painters coming next week. We should have picked out doors last week, 2 weeks ago. Hopefully they're like the ones we want are in. So we're gonna go pick out some doors. As I pick out the doors for this house, I wanna keep it pretty basic because I don't want to put my style too much into it. I want it just to be something that maybe everybody could like. And so I wanted to do something just a little more basic and kind of modern. So instead of going with like, you know, like the traditional door like this, these ones are a little bit more, but Joel's like, I think that's something that I would be willing to spend a little more money on because I think we will get the money out of it if we put in nicer doors. So I really like this door, and we'll obviously do them white. It's too bad they don't come in hollow core doors. These only come in solid core, which that's like what makes them so expensive. So we are gonna go with this door through the whole house. And then I just thought this was such a pretty door to go in front of the laundry room because it is right next to the dining table. And so I just thought it would be a really pretty door leading into that laundry room. I would love that so much. And it kind of keeps with the square theme. So that's what we're doing. That's what we're gonna go with. It's been like, I think like 2 hours. And we're deciding not to go with the glass, even though I want it, because it's very expensive. So we're just going to have all uniform doors. Can you hear these guys? My head is spinning. How many hours later and thousands of dollars later?
Doors are expensive.
Oh my goodness, that was wild. The cost of materials has like more than doubled, and the wait time has more than doubled because everyone during this pandemic is wanting to do the same thing.
Everything.
So yeah, that's been a little wild.
You hear those brakes?
Yeah, I do.
Sweet, sweet squealing music. One of my visions for this house was to enclose this garage and put garage doors here. So I've started the framing for right here, and we're gonna close this in a little bit, add a little more of the siding to this house, and make this a 2-car closed garage house. How nice is that?
I'm going to keep my distance. We have an angry Joel on our hands. It's the next morning, and we're waiting for conference to start. And Joel is so mad because he's like, I have replaced my brakes on this truck. I have cleaned the brakes. I have changed the routers, and it still squeaks. The truck has the craziest squeak. Like, it's so loud. Ah, don't yell at me. I was just telling them I needed to keep my distance from you because this is making you angry.
I think I figured it out. I went to YouTube University and figured it out.
Does that stuff stay in the ground?
No, I just need to spray it.
That's what you said last time.
I haven't sprayed it.
Okay. I think we should go check on our sheetrock this morning before conference starts.
Give me like 30 minutes and we can.
Maybe I'll, oh, but you're blocking me in. Oh, and we need to pick up the Suburban. Ah! Can you hear the brakes?
Not yet.
It's a tester.
There's a door up top.
I don't hear it, Joel. We'll see. We're heading to the new house to check on the sheetrock. Do you guys want to see what it looks like?
Sure. Yeah.
I just heard the brake squeak. You know when Joel says he's fit to be tied, he's really mad. Joel, how fit to be tied are you?
The most I've ever been.
I'm not sure if anyone really knows this about Joel, but he is an old man. It's okay, I like to dress like an old woman. He speaks like an old man. We're that old married couple already. It is Saturday and we have just barely finished conference. We are now taking Lady on a walk. Hi. Come here. Wait, what'd you say? I record too long? Yeah, well, Lady's adorable. It's kind of crazy that people are doing conference right now because of COVID and this whole pandemic. So tomorrow we will finish the second session, and so we're gonna go home, we're gonna eat dinner. Yeah, we're just gonna have like a quiet rest of the day. Mom's home making broccoli cheese soup, which is in the cookbook, and we'll put that down in the link below. We hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, bye.